The company's been around for a while. You've been doing this since probably Jeff Bezos was in high school or college, like way before there was even thought of Amazon.com, or at least the company's been doing it, I
The
should say.
company, yes.
The company, the
The
company.
company. Not,
The question is, how did Amazon become integral to your overall strategy, especially when you're in all other places? It's not like this was an Amazon, a built for Amazon business.
back in the 80s, the brand did what a lot of brands in the 80s and 90s did that were small mom and pop brands. They went to local markets and they went to various shows and they try to get the brand out there and get some distribution that way. But for me, what's happening in our macro world? People are shopping online. People are eating content online. People are doing
It's a
everything
good way
online.
to phrase it.
Right? People are doing everything online. And I think this stat is still relevant. I think it's 220 or 230 million, at least in the United States. It's 220 or 230 million unique visitors go to Amazon every month. Now, there's no way myself and my team we can in any way replicate that sort of customer base, whether it's through online ads, Google, Facebook, whatever. You just can't. I want to be part of that Amazon mall where people go to shop, right? And I'm more than happy to give Amazon 15% of the sale for
Yeah.
right? That's my opinion. And I know there may be some other opinions out there that that's too high. And here's another just quick sidebar. I think part of your Amazon journey, and some of you may be on the fence. Do I do Amazon? Do I not? You're already in Amazon, whatever the case may be. And some of this is part of my accounting and numbers background, but you got to know your numbers as a business owner or as a business operator. Sit down, and it can be a behind the envelope sort of exercise. If you know Amazon's going to take 15% of your transaction and you know it's going to cost roughly XYZ to ship through Amazon, do the math. How much
Mhm.
am I going to sell the product on Amazon? If I sell it for this much and Amazon takes this much, and all that information's out there. Mag does a great job, by the way. They give us these great templates and great Excel spreadsheets where we just plug in a few numbers and we know exactly what our profit per unit will be if we sell one or a 3-pack, 5-pack, whatever the case may be. Start with that, and that's going to help you figure out what your pricing is and if Amazon is going to work for you. And for us, given our margins, given what our long-term goals are, et cetera, et cetera, like I said, we're happy to give Amazon that 50% to have access to all those customers. In addition, why Amazon makes sense for us as we scale and grow, there's things that Amazon does that helps us be more efficient and be better at what serving our customers. For example, Amazon is also, in my opinion, the best logistics company in the world.
Oh yeah, that's hard to argue, especially with all the Amazon vans we see running around everywhere.
Right? And with a lot of products that we sell, a lot of our higher selling SKUs,
Mhm.
customer orders at 10 or 11 at night, the next morning it's already on their doorstep,
Oh
right?
yeah.
So we also can't replicate that type of service and that type of turnaround in shipping, which a lot of customers demand right now. When they order something day one, day two, they want it on their doorstep, right? Because of those things, what's happening macro in the world and what Amazon does so well that we just can't replicate. We've really leaned into Amazon as far as our main sales channel of how to get our product out there and get it to customers.
I know the Amazon grind can be overwhelming. From account issues to low traffic, it's a lot to handle. That's where my Amazon guy steps in. Scan the QR code or click the link, and let's work together to boost your sales and make your life easier.